Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the clipping mask option effectively so that we can save a lot of time and effort. So let's get started. It's actually pretty easy. So first of all, we will see the traditional method to add or apply clipping mask. So these are the objects that I have placed. Some of them are images and some of them are vector objects, as you can see. So I want to make a clipping mask to a new object, so I will draw a new object. Let's say I draw this object and I want to clip this top object to all these other objects. So just remember, the objects that you are going to clip it should be at the top of each and every object. So if you see the layers panel, so this object rectangle is at the top and everything else is below this. So make sure that the object is at the top, then select all the objects and images, everything that is there, and go to object, and we are going to use the traditional method clipping mask and make. So it will make a clipping mask. So this is pretty accurate. Now if I want to displace any objects, I can simply select by double clicking and change it. Again, if I press double click again, I will see the object totally. Again double click, and similarly I can change the position of any object that I want, like this. But the problem occurs if I draw a new object like this. So it will be drawn outside the clipping mask area. So again we have to place this object inside this clipping mask group like this. So every time we draw a new object, we have to, I will draw a text. So let's see, if I draw a text, I will increase the size. What's happening? So I will draw a text. I will change the font. So let's say I write this graphics. Then now if you see, this is again going outside the clipping mask area. So we have to again place it inside the clipping mask group, so that can be time consuming. So to avoid this, there is a simple method, so we are going to use that method. So I'm going to keep it here and I will release the clipping mask. So clipping mask, release. So this is the shape that we used. So I will again color it so that we will understand, and I will place this order, arrange, center back. So this will be at the back like this, and I will intentionally keep it outside this area. So let's say again we want to make clipping mask, and again make sure that this object is at the top. So this is where this method is different, or effectively this is different. So again the procedure is same. So again I have to go to this layer 1. Now this is the main layer and these are the sub layers. So click on the main layer and click on these 3 lines, settings, like this, and choose this option, make clipping mask. So again it looks similar, but the difference is if you draw any new shapes, it will be drawn, the shapes will be drawn inside the clipping mask area. That is the main difference, like this. So we don't have to again and again place the new objects inside the clipping mask group, so it will save us a lot of time. So this is how we can do it. And as you can see, it doesn't really matter after, once you create a clipping mask from here, it doesn't really matter where the shape is. So as you can see, the shape is right below this, but again this will work like this, it won't go outside the area. So this is how we can do it. And if you want to release it, then simply go to this thing, release clipping mask. I will undo this. So this is a very effective method to use clipping mask, you can say this is a clipping mask trick. So do use this, it is very useful and it will save you a lot of time and effort. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.